Yeah. Yeah. What? Bye bye black sheep. Hey. 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 Fuck a fairy tale. I tell scary tales that the weary hears is with his hair. Yet I kinda tie so near the hair. That black sheep that rap shit is whack, but they cannot beat the facts. We treat these views just like they sales, ain't got no plaques to measure shit. I rap for those that quit when things go round and full circle. Who give a fuck if they hurt you? Follow they every plea when I know when they don't deserve you. So you ride around feeling mad as mine is Urkel. They don't care about success in the places a nigga stress. You still some nigga in suspenders, no sense in never pretending you gon' ever be much bigger. You gon' die as just that nigga tried to fight. You gotta be lit, at least you try. You in the middle of a long night that's fucking sleepless. You only find your weakness. You slowly die from the treatment. Some nigga has to keep it inside. Built up a Legos odd nigga beauty. Not knowing he's a star, someone's favorite movie, Mr. Black Sheep.
They might never know why about me. They might never know why.
Mr. Black Sheep.
They might never know why about me. They might never know why.
Mr. Black Sheep.
They might never know why about me. They might never know why.
Mr. Black Sheep.
They might never know why about me. Hey, hey.
I need to choose, look at all you achieved in school. You were meant to be something great. All my family think I'm a fool, but they can never get this feeling way up above the ceiling I get. The room, the rules, man, I don't have nothing to lose. I got 2 empty pockets and a wallet with just my ID. Soon it's gonna expire. Why the fuck does that strike me? I know ain't here fucking like me. What I do besides scrutinize, but those that share the stupid lies and loops and ties up. I try to make so many happy and fair. I had it back and got air left in the dust when it got my eye. Yeah, I scream like, why the fuck this happening? My life is a fucking trap, man. I swore I wouldn't react, but I hate the way I'm looked at by the people I hold so close. Niggas is losing hope, in love with the words they wrote, but the butter they fucking joke. Mr. Life's no fair, Mrs. Get a fucking grip. Growing up was bad, alone is sad, but still I reminisce by Mr. Black Sheep.
They might never know why about me. They might never know why.
Mr. Black Sheep.
They might never know why about me. They might never know why.
Mr. Black Sheep.
They might never know why about me. They might never know why.
Mr. Black Sheep.
They might never know why about me. Hey, hey.